So, you've just been in an accident. We understand that this can be a tough and confusing time. Do you know what your next step should be? Let us help you get on the right track. The first thing you're going to want to do is check your surroundings. Is anyone hurt? Make sure everyone is okay and call 911 to make a report. While keeping safety a priority, take pictures of both vehicles and document the scene by gathering any information you can.
From here, you're going to want to make plans to get your car to a repair facility, whether you feel it's safe to drive or it may need to be towed.
When choosing your repair facility, take a look at reviews for shops under your consideration and make sure your choice demonstrates safety, integrity, service, and quality.
There are many factors to keep in mind while deciding the correct repair facility for your needs. So be sure to do your research and remember what's important to you. The choice is yours and yours alone.
An appointment is ideal to make the best use of your time, and it allows the shop to give you their undivided attention.
They will be able to assist you in reviewing the damages, planning the repair, and helping you understand the claims process and how your insurance plays a role in your situation. Make sure you are clear on what your insurance policy covers.
Before your appointment, you want to make sure that you are properly prepared. To best prepare, think of any questions you'll want the shop to answer for you. Some good topics to ask about are what type of parts they'll be using and any repair procedures you'd like clarification on.
Be confident that the repair facility is the professional and they should be focused on serving your interests. They are there to help you and to answer any questions and keep you informed along the way. Remember, there's more to a repair than how your car looks. You want your vehicle repaired correctly, and the most important repairs are not always those that are seen.
Cheaper is not always better, and the safety of you and your loved ones is the most important outcome.
When you find a repair facility that stresses safety, integrity, service, and quality, you can be assured that your repair is being done properly.